Hello guys, this video is a messy one. This video is something some of you will say, okay, she's just being herself. But I'd struggle to really share this video. I would say please be nice, okay? Let's say I didn't want to share this video, but I wanted to share it. And at the same time I didn't want to share it because I felt like he didn't do anything for people to really learn. And this time, I am not here to I'm not here to teach you. This time, I'm here for you to teach me. So that's why I am bringing myself, my humble self to you. It takes me a lot to do this. I did really say this randomly when I was doing a live video that I try to reorganize my bathroom, kind of make it look more organized and, kind of that. But I felt it was a failed. I didn't really feel it. I didn't really, I didn't really see any work done. But you guys said I should go ahead and share it. And I got my inspiration a lot to try all these DIYs and do the reorganization and decorations and from Becky, my sister. So guys, this video is your turn to teach me, please. This is what my small bathroom, this my bedroom is an insert. I have a small bathroom, shower and a toilet. So this is how I have been organized. This is how I've been living my life. But I want to be more organized and more tidy because I have a lot of skincare and sometimes I mess about with my clothes and so many things. So please help me out. Watch to the end of this video. As you can see what it looks like. This is the shower as well. This is how small it is. Watch to the end. It's not a long video. It's just 7 minutes video. And let me know what you think. I need your teas. Help me. Thank you. And I know I can count on you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay guys, first thing, I've got this. This is like an organizer, bathroom organizer that I bought from IKEA, and some of that few stuffs here as well. Honestly, I'm not good at DIY or even deco, but I know I try a little bit, and I learn from you guys. And don't laugh at me if I do some things wrong. This one is my headache. I'm supposed to do this video a long time, but just that I hate fixing IKEA products. Let me know if you're like me, but my daughter is going to help me to do that. So we are not going to make this video to be too long. We will be off camera and set this, or maybe we can share a little bit of our experience, whatever we think we can share for you. Okay, so let's get this work started. Okay, now me and my daughter, we are trying to fix the organizer that we bought from IKEA. Guys, I hate IKEA products because I have to fix it. IKEA, can you help us get things fixed that we come and carry? I don't know. Do they do it? I think they might. Several things I bought from IKEA. This is the way I always struggle with my daughter. And you won't believe it. We started this video 11 o'clock and we finished 4 a.m. the next day. So we have to really stop this and take our time to do all this. And we cannot be recording for 4 hours. We will leave you guys and just get this sorted ourselves. This is my life. This is my story. This is me. This is real. Okay. But I am happy I have started trying. Okay. So that's the most important thing. And maybe more trying and with your help, we will get something better. Okay. I think 2 days later, after I shared a chat with you guys said I should share this. That's when I now come back to really did this vlog. This is what I have done. I got that frame from Amazon. It's 4 pieces, but I just put two because I think two will be all right. And I was thinking later on, should I put the third below because there's a small space. I also got this fake candle from Amazon as well. It's lovely. You need to see it at night. Maybe we will do a night routine where I'll show you what it looks like at night. And this is a set of organizer as well I got from IKEA, which the initial plan was to put it in the storage like cabinets that I bought. But the space wasn't there. I have to leave it on the window. This is simply because I have a lot of skincare products. I'm a skincare junkie. You can say that again. This is also my weakness. So please don't laugh at me. So look at my cupboard. Look at it. The storage organizer. Look, everything was just organized step by step. The face, the body, and the eyeshadow palettes. There is the shower. Things I don't use often that way. It's just on the bottom. And even the hair, the deodorant, even on top was also being used. Guys, I'm in a mess. I just don't know because you guys say that I should share, and I don't know. Somehow I feel good to share this because I'm happy to be open, and at the same time to tell you people my weakness as well because I've been helpful, entertaining you. This is your turn. I'm just thinking. So when I'm pooping, I'll be seeing myself pooping like this on the mirror. The organizer is really nice, and I like the mirror. It gives you your actual size. There are some mirrors when you get them, they make you look so fat. This is not like that, and I'm happy that I have mirror on my bathroom. So at the back of the door, I have my robe, my hairbands, and the shower still remained the same. It's just that I now have the toothbrush and put in the set because I got this on a set for the toothbrush and toothpaste holder, the hand soap dispenser bottle, and a cup, and at the same time a dish for bar soaps. Also, it comes with a bean, small bean as well, which I'm going to show you guys. Honestly, guys, I don't know. I feel so ashamed to do this, but you know what? This is me. You can be offended. You can call me any names, but I need your help. That's all. I also got that bag as well, laundry bag, because I throw lots of clothes in my sink. I throw a lot of clothes on the floor. This is me. Yes, this is the bean it comes with as well. I throw a lot of things. You guys asked for it, so I did it. I am humble. I'm your humble teacher now coming to learn from you. What do you think we can do with this small space? Let me know, please, on the comment section. I appreciate your time and support. Thank you. We end it here.